I'm in Surat right now and at Gopi Talav, which is a tourist attraction in Surat, and it looks like this. Let's take a look. Kind of good place, and this lake used to be the source of water, and it's huge. Just look at that. Wow. And it's not crowded at all. And just look at that. Look at the place. So I guess this place gets crowded in the evening because there's this one point where you can actually, I don't know if you see it, but okay, that over there is the boating point. And yeah, pretty much it. This is the place, and there are boards all over the place talking about the history and the significance of Gopi Talav. So yeah, let's take a walk around and enjoy it. Wow, let's take a look. Almost empty. No one's here. Kind of cool. Oh, I bought myself a glass of Fanta from this store, which is right opposite the lake, and it costs 30 rupees. So let's try that. Well, nice original Fanta flavor, and I spilled it on myself and on the floor. Clumsy. Either way, I'll enjoy this, and for 30 rupees, not bad. Let's go down and take a look at the lake a bit from the lower level. So I climbed down the stairs and just enjoy the view from here. Ah, nice. Looks really beautiful, although no one's here because it's afternoon, and the security guard just told me that the park gets crowded in the evening, and he told me that you can go and request for the paddle boat service by paying a fee. So yeah, all yours. Kind of cool, simple setup for spending some time with your friends and family in Surat.